Welcome back to our channel, everybody. Good morning and good afternoon, everybody's watching the video is Major given you're watching Tech World YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover your NerdWallet by recover. I mean, if you guys forgot the password of your account, you guys can just go to NerdWallet and recover it by following some of the stuff which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, let me make it clear, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now without any further ado, let's get right into the video, shall we? First step, just search for NerdWallet. After you search for it, you can click on NerdWallet, or like the first link in another one, click on the first link. It's going to take you this official website. Click and sign in. Once you're in its official website, once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to the sign in page. Once you're in its sign in page, you're going to scroll a bit down and click on Forgot Your Password. Once you click on Forgot Your Password, it's going to take you over here. Now once you're over here, you need to enter the email of your account like this. So let me enter the email of my account. After entering the email, just click on Send Reset Email. Then basically what you want to do is go to your email and check your email. There's going to be an email sent by NerdWallet. You just want to open that email, click on the link. Once you click on the link, it's going to take them to a page where you guys can change the password for NerdWallet. By changing your password, you guys can set a new password and basically recover the NerdWallet account. So it's that simple. So hope you guys are able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe and notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And this will be what you're going to be sending out. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.